Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. On my screen you can see I caught these massive spikes to the downside with my lot size of 3.0. It has given me a profit of over $100 so far. Let me check if it has it's now about $98 as you can see on my screen. About $98 now. Alright, so how did I get this spike? As you can see on my screen right now, you can see that the market was moving to the upside in this form. You have something like this and formed a kind of a channel or an ascending wedge, a kind of an ascending wedge. So I noticed this movement right from it because I've been following this pair. You see, when I noticed this movement and I joined the trend line, you can see there was a breakout right here, and the market came back to this zone after I got these two um, candlesticks. This how they call it, is it shooting star or what? This inverted pin bar or whatever. These two candlesticks that has long wicks at the top and small bodies down. So I entered a trade when the market was coming back to this level. This is when I entered and I caught the first spike down. So because I'm sure the market was still going to spike down because it has been buying for a long time, then broke out of this chart pattern, then I expected the market to continue spiking down. So I decided to hold the trade. As you can see, I did not close it after the market spiked down to this level, and it gave me about I think it gave me up to about $12 or so in profit. So I decided to, I think it was more than $12. But I left it. I allowed it to continue running. So you can see it pulled back and even went negative. Then at this point, it spiked because I was just looking at if it had gotten to this particular high here without spiking, maybe I would have closed. But you can see immediately this bullish candlestick here closed. The next thing was this massive spikes to the downside. This massive spike to the downside and gave me over $100 in profit, although it's retracing now. I just wanted to show you guys and then I'll close the trade so I can demonstrate what I actually wanted to show you guys in this video. So I'm closing the trade right now. I don't want to hold long, it's about $96 now. Alright, that's just it. Guys, practice these things work. Just always wait for it. Once you notice this kind of patterns, you wait for a breakout, come back to retest where it sold previously. You can see the nice and the sales will be very sweet. You know, the spike will be massive. Just be patient to have this kind of setups in the market, then you'll make some good money, guys. All right, so there's another setup I got the other day, and I did a video to upload it on here on YouTube, but unfortunately I did not look at the orientation of the video. So when I tried to upload it and I tried to rewatch it, I noticed that the video was not properly rendered, and it would have been a kind of blurry, you know. So I decided to not upload the video, but I can just go by to some 500. I can just go back and demonstrate right here to show you guys another easy way of, you know, catching some um, possible moves, you know, like scalping the market. The setup that you can see that will guarantee that if you want to scalp the market at that time for a longer time, then you will be able to do it with peace of mind, you know. So let me just go and check right now. I think it was around this place. It was somewhere around here. Let me see. One moment. I'll have to pause this video to trace that place and that day. All right, so I can find it now. So I went to the 4 hourly time frame, and on the 4 hourly time frame, I saw this movement down here. It wasn't too much of an analysis. I only had to. I think the market was somewhere around here that day. Market was somewhere around this downtrend here. Market was selling around here. So when I got to the market at that time, the market was somewhere around here. The market was somewhere around here. So I decided to join a trend line just like this. I decided to join a trend line just like this. And I noticed that there's a third touch on the trend line from Here, see, this is the first touch, the second touch, and the third touch, and the market was somewhere around here. I had to rush to the lower time frame, so I had to go to the 1 hourly time frame. Mind you, there is a trend. Um, this is trying to form a kind of channel, so if I zoom out, we can easily draw that channel. Things like this. One moment, let me just put it properly. Something like that. Something like that, but that's not really important because what is important is the one that will give me money. All right, so I had to go to the 1 hourly time frame. On the 1 hourly time frame, I noticed that my drawing was good. So looking at what I have here, then you can see this is the first touch right here. Market sold to this level, then pulled back, made a second touch, then came a little lower than where the first. If the market is actually descending, each time it forms a lower high, from the lower high, the lower low must form a lower low. Like this is the lower high, this is the lower high, then it must create a lower low, a low that is lower than this previous low here. So then when it came to do the third touch, I caught the market here. Then I knew it must sell and must sell below um this lower low that was created after the lower high. So I knew the market must sell below this level. So I had to enter the market. I had to go down to the 15 minutes time frame to easily get a good entry. So when I went to the 15 minutes time frame, on the 15 minutes time frame, here is that point. I need to adjust this line a little. One moment. Let me just drag it and put it properly. Okay, so this is it. So on the 15 minutes time frame, I saw this immediately I came in, I saw this these two rejection candlesticks that signaled reversal in the market, and the market was somewhere around the middle of this second bearish candlestick. So I immediately entered the market with a lot size of 2.0. I opened three positions actually, with a lot size of 2.0. Then let me show you what happened, guys. I entered the market somewhere around this point. Then my first TP was around here, and it gave me about $42 in profit. It was about $42 in profit, about $42 because I had to close because of this low here. Market would want to react, so I had to put my first TP there. Then for the other two positions, my second TP was here and it gave me over $80 in profit. Then the third TP was actually here. My profit was about $113, where I placed my third profit was about $113. You see, so what happened? You can see the market sold down. The market played out the same way I had speculated. On After going below this low, that's when it spiked, came down and continued selling. But I was done with what I wanted to do that day. Like I got the profit I wanted and I was out of the market. So it is very simple. You can take note of this kind of stuff on the market. You know, Several times when I how this how I catch some big moves too. If you can draw your trend lines, especially on a higher time frame, and you have a first touch and the second touch, once you have the third touch and you have a confirmation, just know that the market will be going. If it was bullish, the next movement is going to create a higher high, or if it was bearish, it's going to create a lower low. So once you get a good entry and you notice that there is no strong support or resistance above or below it, depending on the direction of the market at that time, then guys, you can enter the market and trade with peace of mind. I'm telling you, just place your trade and set your trade profits, and you see you make some good money. You can have this setup even if it is one of it in a day, guys, and you have a good account size. You can make over $500 with just one setup like this. You can make $300 with just one setup. Just learn to draw your trend lines. These things happen every day. If it doesn't happen on a particular pay, it is happening on another pay. So maybe you don't just need to depend on one particular pair to succeed on this. Try different pairs. You'll find these opportunities. You draw your trend lines. Every trade reaction, like see something that happened here. I think, did I take this trade? I'm not sure. There's another one right here. You can see what happened right here too. I'm just showing that trend lines still work. Trend lines still work. You can see there was a first touch here and the second touch here. You can see it created a low that is lower than this particular low. Then if you enter at this third touch, then you should know that your take profit or the market will sell below this. The market will sell below this particular low here, and you see what happened. It sold below. So try to join trend lines and you will have chances of making some good money trading this market, whether boom and crash or volatility pairs. You need to find draw a trend line, ensure the market is actually trending first of all. Then you draw the trend line, then get a good entry. Once you get a good entry, you do not have a problem. You can use this. Also works in catching spikes. This also works in catching spikes. Like now you can see an opportunity that would have given money if I didn't see this actually, so I did not take this trade, but you can see what happened. Catching of spikes for this one. You can see this is the first touch, this is the second touch, creating a higher high. This is the third touch. You can see massively to the upside, massively to the upside. You know, especially if it is coming from a strong support zone, especially when it's coming from a strong support zone. So um, you will see a massive sales to the down and buys to the upside, or if it is from a strong resistance zone, you see a massive sales to the downside, guys. It's a very simple thing. In my next video, I'll be trying to see I will try to create a video to demonstrate how you can use the 1 minute time frame, use price action on the 1 minute time frame to catch spikes on boom 1000 and crash 1000. I'll try to do that. I just hope I'll remember to do that video so that I'll upload it maybe tomorrow or so. So meanwhile, just practice this once first and see how you can make with the market. Try it on your demo account first, so please, before you go to use it on your real account. Once you see that you're profitable on your demo account before you go to try trading on your real account, and also manage your the same lot size you could use on your real account. Please use that one on your demo account first, so that by the time you use your real account to trade, at least all this emotion stuff will be a little bit reduced. All right, guys, and also know your stop loss where you set it and you take profit. Don't use a larger stop loss on your demo account, because when you go to your real account, you try to manage it, and in the course of managing it, when the market tries to adjust a little, you rush to close because you are scared of it touching that your stop loss, all those stuff. So it's very important. Meanwhile, there's a link in the description of this video for those if you are interested in enrolling in my one-on-one mentorship, guys. Please, there's a link in the description of this video to take you to my Telegram channel. From the Telegram channel, you'll find my direct contact. From there, you can contact me to talk about so we can discuss mentorship training that you'll be getting from me. If you want to improve your trading this year, contact me so I can put you through. It's not about wasting your money blowing account, funding and trying strategies with your real account. You're just trying strategies with your real account. You need to learn first before you earn. Withdraw that money on your MT5. Withdraw that money that's on your derivative account, pay for knowledge, and then use it to make money. Don't just be wasting it, guys. Please like this video. That you won't lose anything liking this video. Like this video. I want YouTube to share this video to other people that need this kind of videos, people that are there on this internet, on this YouTube, searching for this kind of quality videos, quality strategies to trade and succeed online. Please do well to like this video so that the algorithm can share it to them, and also comment. Let me see your comments, and also you can share this video. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not done that. You won't lose anything. Please just subscribe. I want to see us grow to a higher number of subscribers in a very short time, guys. All right, so till my next video, as I will keep on giving you guys legit information, good information that will help you have a better experience of your trading. See you in my next video. Peace out.